Can you imagine that the secret to staying mentally sharp into your 70s and beyond isn't locked inside expensive supplements, but sitting quietly in your kitchen right now? Science is revealing something extraordinary. Your brain is not fixed, it's flexible, constantly rebuilding itself based on what you feed it every single day. And the truth might surprise you. Some of the most powerful brain-boosting foods are also the cheapest and most accessible. In today's video, we're uncovering 10 everyday superfoods that can help restore memory, sharpen focus, and protect your mind from age-related decline. These are not rare ingredients or complicated diets, just simple, proven choices that can transform your cognitive health over time. If you've ever worried about forgetfulness or mental fog, this could change everything. Because protecting your brain doesn't require more money, it requires better choices. Let's begin. Can you believe that the key to staying sharp in your 70s and 80s isn't inexpensive pills, but right inside your very own kitchen? According to research on neuroplasticity, our brains have the incredible ability to regenerate themselves if we simply provide the right kind of biological fuel every day. Today, we will explore 10 incredibly cheap superfoods that have the power to restore memory and mental clarity far better than any expensive store-bought supplement. Maintaining a sharp mind as we age is a journey of small, daily choices that start with the very ingredients we choose to put on our plates. Let us dive into the science of how common foods can literally reverse the clock on your cognitive health and protect your precious memories for years. Your brain is a hungry organ, consuming 20% of your energy. The quality of that energy determines how well you think, learn, and remember things. For those over 65, the right nutrients act as a shield against decline, keeping the mind as agile and flexible as it was decades ago. Let's start our countdown with the foundational protectors of your neurons, starting with a common breakfast staple found in every household around the world. At number 10, we have the humble egg. This affordable protein source is packed with choline, a vital nutrient for brain health and cognitive function. Choline is the essential raw material your body uses to produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a critical role in regulating both mood and memory. By including eggs in your diet, you are providing your brain with the building blocks it needs to maintain high-speed communication between your vital nerve cells. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day can make a significant difference in your daily focus and long-term ability to recall important details and names. Number 9. Dark leafy greens like spinach. These are nutritional powerhouses that contain high levels of vitamin K, lutein, and folate for your brain. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that those who eat leafy greens daily have the cognitive age of someone 11 years younger. These greens work by reducing inflammation in the brain and preventing the buildup of harmful proteins that can lead to memory loss and confusion. Incorporating a handful of greens into your soup or stir-fry is a simple, cost-effective way to keep your mind sharp and your focus crystal clear. Coming in at number 8, peanuts. These affordable nuts are rich in resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that helps improve blood flow to the brain. Take Leonard, an 82-year-old who credits his sharp memory to a daily habit of eating peanuts, keeping his brain oxygenated and his mind focused. The niacin and vitamin E in peanuts further protect against Alzheimer's disease, making this simple snack a true champion for long-term brain health. Number 7 is turmeric. The active compound curcumin is one of the few substances that can actually cross the blood-brain barrier to provide protection. Curcumin is a plaque buster. It helps clear out amyloid plaques, the protein tangles that are a hallmark of brain aging and memory-related disorders. Adding a pinch of turmeric to your meals or drinking a warm golden latte can significantly reduce brain inflammation and boost your overall mood. This ancient spice is a powerhouse of neuroprotection, helping to stimulate the growth of new brain cells and improve your long-term cognitive health. At number 6, we have pumpkin seeds. They are packed with essential minerals like zinc and magnesium, which are crucial for nerve signaling and stress. Magnesium is vital for learning and memory, while zinc helps prevent the neurodegeneration that often occurs as we cross the age of 65. These tiny seeds also provide copper and iron, which are necessary for maintaining healthy brain function and preventing the brain fog of mental fatigue. A small daily serving is all you need to keep your brain's electrical signals moving smoothly and your thoughts flowing without any hesitation. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Especially the purple variety, which are staples in blue zones where people live remarkably long and mentally sharp lives. Helen, at 72, found that adding sweet potatoes to her diet helped her recover the ability to remember names and dates with much ease. The rich anthocyanins in sweet potatoes act as powerful antioxidants, protecting the brain from oxidative damage and improving the speed of mental processing. This affordable root vegetable provides steady energy to the brain, preventing the sugar crashes that can lead to confusion and lack of concentration. Sweet potatoes are a delicious and effective way to fuel your brain's recovery and ensure your memory stays strong as you age. As we move into the top 4, we look at foods that specifically target inflammation and accelerate your brain's processing speed and alertness. Number 4 is green tea. It contains L-theanine, an amino acid that can cross the blood-brain barrier and increase the activity of the neurotransmitter GABA. This unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine provides a calm, focused energy that helps you concentrate without the jitters associated with heavy coffee. Research suggests that green tea protects brain cells from damage and may even help in the regeneration of neurons in the memory centers. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily is a simple ritual that offers profound, long-term benefits for your cognitive endurance and clarity. Scientific studies continue to prove that the polyphenols in green tea are essential for maintaining a high-functioning mind well into your later years. Green tea isn't just a drink. It's a brain-protective tonic that helps you stay mentally young and resilient against the stresses of aging. At number 3, we have broccoli. This vegetable is a dense source of sulforaphane, a compound that helps the brain repair itself after injury. Sulforaphane activates the brain's natural defense mechanisms, reducing inflammation and helping to clear out toxins that contribute to cognitive decline. Broccoli is also very high in vitamin K, which is essential for forming sphingolipids, a type of fat that is densely packed into brain cells. Just 1 cup of broccoli provides more than 100% of your daily requirement of vitamin K, ensuring your brain cells stay healthy. Think of broccoli as a deep cleaning service for your mind, keeping the cellular environment pristine and functioning at its absolute highest potential. By including this cruciferous vegetable in your weekly meals, you are building a stronger, more resilient brain that can withstand the test of time. Nature has provided us with everything we need to thrive. We simply need to know which foods to choose and how they benefit us. Number 2. Local berries like mulberries. While blueberries are famous, local dark berries are often much cheaper and just as powerful for the brain. These berries are loaded with flavonoids, which have been shown to actually reverse memory loss and improve communication between the brain's neurons. Eating berries regularly for just 2 months can lead to significant improvements in memory and motor coordination for those over 65. The antioxidants in berries cross into the brain and accumulate in the hippocampus, the area specifically responsible for learning and memory storage. This makes them an essential tool for anyone looking to sharpen their recall and protect their brain from the oxidative stress of daily life. Berries are nature's candy for the mind, offering a delicious way to keep your brain youthful, sharp, and ready for any mental challenge. And finally, our champion at number 1, affordable fatty fish like mackerel and herring. These are the ultimate brain foods for seniors. These fish contain natural omega-3 fatty acids in concentrations that are far superior and more absorbable than what you find in most expensive pills. DHA is a structural component of the brain. It is the very mortar used to build and repair the architecture of your neural connections. Regularly eating these affordable fish twice a week can drastically reduce the risk of cognitive decline and keep your brain physically larger and healthier. The oils in these fish reduce brain inflammation and improve the health of the white matter, which is responsible for the brain's processing speed. When you eat the whole fish, you get a complex matrix of nutrients that work together, providing a level of protection supplements cannot match. Choosing mackerel or herring is not just a budget-friendly choice. It is a powerful commitment to your brain's long-term survival and mental clarity. These 10 superfoods are more than just ingredients. They are the natural medicine your brain needs to thrive as you age gracefully. Investing in your brain health doesn't require a fortune. It requires consistency, a little knowledge, and the willingness to eat real, whole foods. By fueling your mind with these nutrients, you are preserving the memories that make life beautiful and the wisdom you've gained over the years. Start today by adding just 1 or 2 of these items to your weekly shopping list and feel the difference in your mental energy. Your brain has an incredible capacity for resilience. Even at 70 or 80, it is never too late to start the process of cognitive renewal. Mental clarity brings independence, joy, and the ability to stay connected with the people who matter most in your life. Let's recap. Eggs, leafy greens, peanuts, turmeric, pumpkin seeds, sweet potatoes, green tea, broccoli, berries, and finally, healthy, fatty fish. These are the building blocks of a sharp mind. They are affordable, accessible, and scientifically proven to support your brain's unique needs. When you choose real food over processed pills, you are giving your body the complex nutrition it was designed to utilize efficiently. Your memories are your life story. Protecting them is the greatest gift you can give to yourself and to your loved ones. We want to hear from you. How old are you, and have you noticed any changes in your memory lately? Share your story below. Let's build a community where we support each other in living healthy, sharp, and vibrant lives well into our golden years. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more science-based health secrets that will help you stay young at heart and sharp of mind. Thank you for joining us on this journey of health. May your mind stay as bright as your spirit every single day. Your health is your greatest wealth. Take care of your brain, and it will take care of you for a lifetime of joy. Wishing you clarity, wisdom, and a very healthy future. We will see you in the next video for more life-changing health tips.